Hello, my name is Elia. My last name is Palencia. I am Colombian. I live in Mahahual. I am 25 years old. I am a university student. I speak Spanish. I like to study. I do not cook. These are my daily activities. I wake up at 5:20 o'clock a.m. I take a shower, then prepare breakfast for my family at 9 o'clock a.m. Later, I watch everything for lunch and return at 10 o'clock a.m. Then I prepare and serve lunch. Then I read the Bible and start studying for 2 o'clock 6 p.m. Then I watch TV with my family. At 8 o'clock p.m. I finally have a glass of milk and go to sleep. Bye.